How to add social links on Roblox profile. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, I'll show you how to add social links to your Roblox profile. So to add some, first go to your home page and then look for the gear icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Once you're in the settings, click on Account Info and scroll down to the Social Networks section. Here you can add links that will appear on your Roblox profile. So to add a link, first of all, you need to go to the social media site you want to link, like YouTube. Find your channel, copy the URL by double-clicking it, and then right-click and select Copy. Then return to Roblox and paste the link into the YouTube box by right-clicking and selecting Paste. You can repeat this process for other platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Twitch. After adding your links, make sure to click on Save. It is also important to adjust the visibility settings. If it's currently set to no one will be able to see your social networks. So change it to friends or everyone depending on your preference and then click on Save again. And if you don't see the option to add social networks in your settings, it could be because you're under 13 years old. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.